How to extract the decision rules from scikit-learn decision tree? Can I extract the underlying decision rules, or decision paths, from a trained tree in a decision tree as a textual list? Something like
I believe that this answer is more correct than the other answers here. This prints out a valid Python function. Here's an example output for a tree that is trying to return its input, a number between 0 and 10. Here are some stumbling blocks that I see in other answers. Using tree_.threshold equals -2 to decide whether a node is a leaf isn't a good idea. What if it's a real decision node with a threshold of -2? Instead, you should look at tree.feature or tree.children_. The line features equals feature_names I for I in tree_.feature crashes with my version of scikit-learn, because some values of tree.tree_.feature are -2, specifically for leaf nodes. There is no need to have multiple if statements in the recursive function, just one is fine.
I created my own function to extract the rules from the decision trees created by scikit-learn. This function first starts with the nodes, identified by -1 in the child arrays, and then recursively finds the parents. I call this a nodes lineage. Along the way, I grab the values I need to create if/then/else sauce logic. The sets of tuples below contain everything I need to create sauce if/then/else statements. I do not like using do blocks in sauce, which is why I create logic describing a node's entire path. The single integer after the tuples is the id of the terminal node in a path. All of the preceding tuples combine to create that node.
Scikit-learn introduced a delicious new method called export_text in version 0.21, May 2019, to extract the rules from a tree. Documentation here. It's no longer necessary to create a custom function. Once you fit your model, you just need 2 lines of code. First, import export_text. Second, create an object that will contain your rules. To make the rules look more readable, use the feature_names argument and pass a list of your feature names. For example, if your model is called model and your features are named in a data frame called x_train, you could create an object called tree_rules. Then just print or save tree_rules. Your output will look like this.
I modified the code submitted by Zelazny7 to print some pseudocode. If you call get_code dt, df.columns, on the same example you will obtain